In this video, I'll show you 4 different solutions if your Sony TV has a screen that is flickering. Could be like the one you're seeing right now, could be different. Let's start with the easiest solution first. You're gonna turn off your TV and then unplug it from the power source. Then you're gonna locate the power button on your Sony TV. Could be behind it, could be under the TV, like this one. And you're gonna keep it pressed during 30 seconds. Okay, so keep it pressed during 30 seconds while the TV is unplugged. After that, after you waited 5 minutes total, it's time to plug it back into the wall. Don't use a power strip like the one you see there, because this could be the problem. If this solution didn't work, let's go to the next one. You're gonna go on the back of your TV where the HDMI cable is plugged. You're gonna remove it and try replacing the cable with another one. Could be a brand new one, could be another one you have laying around. And then you're gonna plug it back, but in another HDMI port of the TV. So this one was plugged in the first one. I'll put in the third HDMI port right over there. Also push the HDMI port with your finger. Sometimes things get disconnected in the back. So just by doing this, you can reconnect it and everything could be tighter. And when you connect back your HDMI cable, apply a bit more pressure than you would usually. Pushing forward like this. If this solution didn't work, let's see the third one, which is to make sure that auto pictures mode is turned off and also picture reset mode is off. To do so, you just have to follow the instruction on the screen. Okay, so to turn the auto picture mode off, you need to go with the remote control, press the home button, then select settings. Then you should see TV, and then you're gonna have more options. You should select picture and display. Then select picture adjustments, select auto picture mode, and then you'll be able to turn this feature off. Since you're there, you can also try turning the brightness. You see just under that option, change it from max to lower and see if the screen still flickers. You can also play with the backlight setting. It should be again in the same menu. Try to lower it to see if this changes anything. Another solution is to set the advanced contrast enhancer to low or completely off. Press again the home button on your TV remote, then select the small gear wheel. Now depending which TV you have, which Sony TV, you'll have to go on picture and display. Sometimes it says display and sound, and sometimes it just say display. Then select picture adjustments. Sometimes it will just say picture, select that, and then select advanced settings. Finally, you should see brightness has an option. You're gonna select it, and then you'll be able to set advanced contrast enhancer to off or low. Another solution is to factory reset your TV, and to do so on a Sony TV, you need to select the gear icon when you press the menu on your remote control. It should be on the top right. Then select storage and reset. Select factory data reset. Then select factory data reset again. It should be like a confirmation. And then select erase everything. This will obviously erase all the apps, all the passwords, and all your personal information from the TV. Hopefully one of this trick will solve your flickering problem. If not, you'll need to open it. It's probably the T-Con board or maybe a ribbon that got disconnected or bad. Thanks for watching. If you have other tips for solving this problem, please comment down below, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.